Welcome to my channel. In this video we will discuss very easy use indicators, but have the best accuracy. This is an run indicator. The run indicator is an analytical tool used to measure the strength of a trend. This indicator is widely used because of its accuracy in identifying the upcoming trend, as well as how strong or weak the trend. The run indicator has several parts that you should know. The run indicator is divided into two crossed lines, the upper run or the blue run, which is an indicator line that measures the strength of the bullish trend. Down run or red run is an indicator line that measures the strength of the bearish trend. If there is a line crossing between the blue run and the red run, this indicates a trend change. The run indicator scale starts from 0 to 100. There are four main levels that must be monitored as a benchmark if using the run indicator, namely a scale of 0, 30, 70 and 100. How to read a run indicator. When a run-up reaches 100, the indicator shows that the bullish trend is still strong. If the run-up indicator fluctuates between the 70 and 100 ranges, it indicates a potential uptrend. If the run-up value fluctuates between levels 0-30, it indicates a weakening trend and a possible trend reversal. When a run-down reaches 100, the indicator shows that the bearish trend is still strong. If the run-down indicator fluctuates between the 70 and 100 ranges, it indicates a potential downtrend. If the run-down value fluctuates between levels 0-30, it indicates a weakening trend and a possible trend reversal. By signal of the run indicator is when the run up is above and the run down is below. Sell signal of the run indicator is when the run down is above and the run up is below. Watch the video until it's finished. Use this Quotex bonus code to get an extra 40% deposit bonus on your first deposit. Quotex is one of the leading binary options broker you can use to trade binary options like a professional.